I've never seen a hat trick like that.
I'm emotional. It's a shame you don't know what you created when you just the illest. I'm the nicest with the verses. Everybody changed, they don't have enough on verses. I got a million songs, they go all night. That's what they said with Intellect Records hit the flight. I went to England, went to Europe last night. Don't even talk to me, not no more, they awkwardly. Can't never deal with stats, I can see they not in the league. All I can see is myself going to France. I make a big advance, I send them on their stance. They can't deal with me, they just try and rave and rant. Them niggas ain't got enough game, I move like the rain. I know they all mad, they get stomped out like ants. Them niggas ain't stamped, them niggas just got cramps. They cannot rap, that cannot go against. I cannot ever adapt, I can't ever be stats. He the illest in rap. When it came to that, once they start flipping and start spitting, they just love on me. All in position, they gotta find them. I told him I be going to flex real soon. He gon' find out where precise is at. I'm in my room. I be chillin', I be handling that. But my room is the studio. I ain't do attack like rap attack. When it's porch out, when it's just time to spit, they throw me on. I was major, I don't know minor shit. They throw me on. They find out that it's just that shit, this shit. They throw me on. Probably my shorter make it, then I'm rich. I'm just be on. I'm precise, all that I know, I'm the shit. Don't ever try to go against me. All I do is make hits. Nigga, yeah. Size. Saga.